Hey now, this is Lee with Berserk Audio. Today I'm going to show you the heat gun method of removing asphalt from car doors. I tried a whole bunch of stuff from the internet and this is what worked for me. I recommend this method because it's cost effective, there's no toxic fumes, and there's minimal paint damage. So here's what you need. First up, you're going to need some gloves. I ended up using cotton gloves and then covering those with nitrile gloves. The cotton gloves keep your hands from sweating. Next up, you need a plastic razor or a sturdy plastic scraper, maybe both. The plastic razor was about $2 at Ace, and it came with several extra blades. Metal scrapers will catch on the metal of your vehicle and it'll tear up your paint. You're going to need a heat gun or a hair dryer. I picked up the heat gun for $20 at Harbor Freight, but you could easily use a hair dryer. You can get those at your secondhand store for like $5. Last but not least, you're going to want some good old WD-40. You can pick it up by the gallon at your local Home Depot or Lowe's, like $20 for a gallon. The nice thing about buying it by the gallon is you can use your own spray bottle, and you'll get better control of the pressure so it doesn't splash all over and get in your eyes or on your upholstery or whatever. You want to hold the heat gun about 6 inches from the surface and kind of move it around. Ideally, you could heat up the metal so that the tar on the bottom is the loosest. Unfortunately, there's nothing ideal about removing this tar. When it goes smoothly, you'll get big chunks of it in one go. Don't expect it to go smoothly very often. More often than not, you're going to end up with the backing coming off and leaving exposed tar. When you're trying to get the leftover bits, warm it up just enough so that it starts to look wet, then scrape it up with your plastic razor. When you're down to little chunks, apply WD-40 and scrape it again with the plastic razor. It's easier to remove the tar physically with the razor than it is to wear it down with chemicals.